Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to our journey from Port Lavaca, Texas to Rutherford Beach, Louisiana, a scenic drive that takes us through some of the most interesting and beautiful parts of the Gulf Coast region. As we start our journey, we cross the Lavaca Bridge, which offers beautiful views of the bay and the surrounding wetlands. These wetlands are an important part of the local ecosystem, providing a habitat for a variety of wildlife, including birds and fish. The bridge connects us to the mainland, where we continue our drive through the Texas countryside. Our route takes us through Baytown, Texas, a city with a strong industrial heritage. Baytown is known for its oil refineries and petrochemical plants, which have played a major role in the local economy for many decades. Next, we cross the Fred Hartman Bridge, an impressive structure that spans the Houston Ship Channel. This bridge is one of the longest cable-stayed bridges in the United States and offers breathtaking views of the surrounding area. The Houston Ship Channel is a vital waterway that connects Houston, one of the largest cities in the United States, to the Gulf of Mexico. As we continue our journey, we enter Port Arthur, Texas, a city with a rich history tied to the oil industry. We cross the Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Memorial Bridge, which connects Port Arthur to the neighboring city of Bridge City. This bridge is not only a crucial transportation link, but also a tribute to the legacy of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., honoring his contributions to civil rights and equality. Our route then takes us over the Sabine Lake Causeway Bridge, another important link that crosses Sabine Lake, a large estuary that forms part of the border between Texas and Louisiana. Sabine Lake is known for its diverse wildlife and is a popular spot for fishing and boating. Finally, we reach Rutherford Beach, Louisiana, a beautiful coastal area that offers a peaceful retreat for visitors. Rutherford Beach is part of the Creole Nature Trail, a scenic byway that showcases the natural beauty of the Louisiana Gulf Coast. The beach is a great place to relax, enjoy the sun, and explore the unique coastal environment. Thank you for joining us on this drive from the coastal waters of Texas to the shores of Louisiana.